Hey YouTube! Matt here with Mr. Energy. Hey, today we have some old cast iron and we're gonna be brazing and doing a little repair on a 100-year-old piece of cast iron. Let's get into it. All right, so we've got our brazing flux, and first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna get this metal up to temperature. I've got my cutting torch. It seems to be getting it nice and hot really quick. And to get the flux to stick to your rod, you want to heat the rod just a little bit, not too much, it'll melt, but just a little bit of heat on it, and then you dip it in the can and go to town. So the key to brazing is you want to get this cast iron red hot, and then add your rod with the flux slowly, and ideally you would like the metal to actually melt the rod, not the torch. So the torch is leading on the cast iron to heat the cast iron, and then you just want to kind of melt that rod right into it. So there's the back side, not too bad. There's a little crack on the right there. You can see a tiny bit, but I'll fill that in later. And now we're just gonna heat up the other side. Same process. You wanna get this metal red hot, and then just add the rod right in there and allow the red hot cast iron to melt the brass. We're just cleaning it up a little bit here, making sure it'll fit and all the holes line up to what we're bolting it back to. The brass does give a nice polish to it. We've got to create a nice little edge so that the part will fit. So if this is your first time brazing, find some old material that you could practice on. It does take some skill to be able to move that metal and get it right where you want it. But hey, be safe, and thanks for watching. Subscribe and give us a like, make a comment, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you.